everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. I have a fun card. Now we're not using a new stamp set. We are using the Wildlife Wonder stamp set. This was carried over in the catalog from last year, but this is makes a great masculine card. And then we are using the Deckled Edge rectangle dies. They're deckled rectangle dies. Say that 3 times fast. I love these. They're great for layering. Now, I used to use the stitched rectangle dies a lot, and those have retired, so you will be finding me using these a lot more often. And I've only used them on one project before this, so I'm excited to show you the project today. Now, we are using several of our new in colors. We're going to be using let's see, Pebbled Path. Love that color, love that gray color. And then we're using a little bit of Boho Blue. Then we have some copper clay. And then this is from our Fresh as a Daisy designer paper, but on the back we have the Wild Wheat color. This paper is very versatile. We have on one side there's different floral patterns, and then on the back are these solid like brush wash type of patterns. So they're great for more of a solid look with just a little texture. Okay, so let's get started on our card. We're also using the Pebbled Path and Boho Blue ink. Look, this was one of our projects we made in classes this month. So you get to see, you know, one of the things that we do. Now this is dark, so I do have a piece of white for the inside. And then I have another deckled. This is larger than this one. And I think that's it for now. So let's get started. Oh, we do have one more piece. This is a piece of Pebbled Path to go on top, and it's embossed with the Timber 3D embossing folder. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that there a little bit of the pattern? So it's not an in-your-face pattern, it's more of a subtle background pattern. So let's adhere this to our card front. All right. Put that layered on there. And let's do our stamping before we assemble anything else. So we're going landscape, so we have to make sure we do our stamping landscape. Now for my front sentiment, I'm going to do To a Great Guy. So this is great for birthday or birthday or Father's Day or any occasion. Oh, I didn't stamp that very straight. Let's try that again. I'm doing white on white, so sometimes it's hard to see. And then for our inside, I've got Sending Birthday Wishes or You Mean So Much to Me. I think I'm going to do this for a Father's Day card. So we're going to do You Mean So Much to Me. And I could pull out a different sentiment that says Happy Father's Day from another set if you want to. Then we're going to use the Pebbled Path ink pad, and we're going to use the wolf stamp on this. It's a wolf kind of resting on a rock. I put this right here on the right. Oh, isn't that cute? I love that. Okay, now we're ready for some assembly. So let's grab our inside piece. I like to do pretty simple cards, but that have a little punch to them. And these use some of these colors. New colors are so great together. So I'm just going to, let's move that in just a little bit. I'm going to just put that Boho Blue in there for a nice pop of color. And then let's adhere this. Now this is supposed to be like a moon, you know, wolves howl at the full moon. Okay. You know what, on 2 of my classes this month, I put the adhesive right on the yellow side. And I did that twice. Ridiculous. Okay, So I'm going to take this piece and I'm actually going to crumple it up, not just fold it. I'm kind of crumpling it from the sides. I'm just giving it a kind of a worn texture to it, worn leather type texture. Okay, I've crumpled it, so let's smooth it back out. Yep, perfect. And then we're just going to put some adhesive on the back of that. And I'm going to put that right here, kind of across the bottom. And we're going to pop up our wolf with some dimensionals. All right. Let's get that off. Okay, and we are just going to adhere this. You could put it to the right, to the left. I feel like I'm catching on something here. I'm gonna go right here. Then we have, the last step is we have these new 2325 in color dots. Super shiny. Aren't those gorgeous? So we've used this one pack for the whole month for classes. Now all of our wild wheat ones are gone. That was the favorite, and I think that's what I used on my sample, so those tend to go first. But any of these other ones would work. Some people have even used the pink ones. I think I'm going to use blue. So I'm just going to use one of the larger ones and then one of the smaller ones. Let's see if we can get that up. I'm going to put that large one, well, it's going right there. That's where it's stuck. And then I put one up here on the moon right there. And that is it. You could even put, let's go ahead and put a small one over here. We're gonna splurge and do 3. And that's it. Isn't that great? What a great Father's Day or birthday card. I love this set. I love this set. The university where 3 of my kids went that are in town are called the Red Wolves. So the wolf has been a very popular stamp here in town. My other daughter went to a school where the mascot was the bears. So this is perfect for the 2 of us. And my niece, their mascot was an owl. So, you know, this has been a great set that we use. The owl's also kind of fun for Halloween too, if you need one for that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's card using a lot of the new in colors. Remember, Pebble Path, Wild Wheat, Copper Clay, and Boho Blue. We also have Moody Mauve, which was the color, hold on a second. I'll give you a peek if you haven't seen it. It was the color on the back of the circle. It's this pink color right here. That's Moody Mauve, which is on the back. So it is on our card, just not showing. It's like a hidden treasure that you don't know about. Okay, thanks so much for checking in today. And we've got another fun card using some of our online exclusive products that we're going to do on Monday. So make sure to click subscribe and check back on Monday so you can see another fun card. All right, thanks everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.